Hello guys, welcome back once again. This is me Amber Limbu. Today I'm gonna show you how to add annotation in your YouTube video. Let's open YouTube. Okay, so open one video. Annotation will help your channel to subscribe. Okay, open this video. As you see, here is annotation. If you click here, you can find your subscription button so that easily you can subscribe it, or anyone can subscribe your channel easily. So how to put this annotation on your YouTube video? As I want to show you my channel. This is my channel. Okay, one video I want to play of my channel. Okay, here is no annotation on my video. As you can see here, no annotation. If I go to setting, there is no annotation button also to on off. So how to put annotation? Let's go. First, what to do, you have to go to your Creator Studio, and then after going Creator Studio, you should go to your channel. Here written channel and branding. As you can see, status of and feature, monetization, upload, default, feature, content, branding, advanced. So you have to go to branding. Here, branding watermark, a channel branding element to overlay on your videos. Add watermark. So here you have to choose a file, which photo you want to put as annotation on your video. Choose here. As I have to choose the photo for my annotation, here as the channel profile photo, I want to choose this photo. Open it. The photo is being uploaded. So save now. If you want to replace this photo with another one, so you can put here, choose a new. So again, if you don't want you want to put the same photo, so let it go and go save. So save successfully, and you can set the time here when your annotation button should start. As I make it 0 second and update, so it is saved. Okay, showing on all your upload videos. In this way the annotation will appear on your video. So let's go to the dashboard. Okay, play one of your video, anyone you can play your video. So here appeared the annotation button here. So you can subscribe my channel from this button. So if you don't believe, let's see the same video which we played the first time, the last video I uploaded. So here let's see whether we can see or not. Okay, so here this appear, and even the annotation button, on off button also appear. So this way we can see we can add annotation in your YouTube video easily, as they are written when you are editing a video, there is written the annotation is closed after May. So it is very easy way. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any suggestion, please write down in the comment section. See you on the next video. Till then, have a nice day.